You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing country names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English it is said as Kazakhstan, so that's a stress on the first syllable. Ka, zak, a schwa sound here as the second syllable. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Now in Kazakh, in the country itself, it is said more as Kazakhstan, a clearer R sound also as the second syllable, because yes, it's an A. So while in English you have a schwa as the second syllable, in Kazakhstan it is said more as Kazakhstan, Kazakhstan. In English again, Kazakhstan. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.